Hi friends, today we will see the demo of to-do list app in Next.js using Clerk.js for authentication, Tailwind and Shadcn for designing. So let's start our demo. From here we can add record. So I add a title here, add new record, pick up a date here, which one I choose, and give some description for it, and then create. It's on production, so it's taking some loading. You can see it's showing a toast for record created successfully, and here you can see the record is created. We can also edit that record by clicking here, and whatever we want to write, and you can see it's updated. And here you can also search. You can also search the records, and here you can see that the record search result is displaying well. And now we will clear our filter, and here you can toggle grid view and then table view, whatever you want. And we can also delete the record and then confirm, and we can see that the record is deleted. I have also implemented CRUD authentication here. So when I sign out and then want to sign in again, as my account is registered already, so I just sign in. You can